In the number 25, the problem is retrieve the stores that receive the highest number of orders from customers living in a specific city in the past year. The first thing we need to do is select restaurant ID, and restaurant name. Count the order ID as total orders. From orders, inner join the customers and the order ID to customer ID. Next is inner join the restaurant menu details on or, order ID to restaurant menu details ID. So means an inner join restaurant or restaurant menu details to restaurant where C city and I and in my values of my database I put Orlando, and O is equal a greater than or equal date at an interval negative -1 year, group by restaurant ID, restaurant name, order by total orders, and nakadescending siya, and limit by 1. So we need to delete this first, and when you click go, here's the result.